Hello everyone, welcome to the JB Edit. So today I have come with a huge festive haul. Me and my sister went crazy this time and we shopped quite a lot during this festive season. We shopped from various sites like Myntra, Flipkart and even Meesho. There are clothes for me, my sister and my mom. So if you're interested in watching what I got during this festive season, please keep on watching. The first piece of clothing is this beautiful pink and orange tie and dye bandhni skirt. This is a full length maxi skirt with gota patti work or trimming at the end. It has a tie plus elasticated waist. The waist size is 28 and is adjustable. This is from the brand Varanga. This was originally priced at 2,599 and I got this only for 779 from Myntra. The links of all of these products would be in the description bar below. In case you like any of the products and would want to get it for yourself, you can click on the description and you'll find the links of all these products if they are available. The next piece of clothing is a kurti for my sister. It is this beautiful blue kurti with peachish pink trimmings on the arms and on the edges, and it has beautiful blue, white and golden work on it. This is not embroidery. These are printed work on the kurta. It is for those kind of days or for those people who do not like to wear a lot of bling on the festive days and want to be simple and comfortable. My sister loves this. The price of this was 1499, but we got this for an offer price of only 375. So 375 for a kurta like this, which can easily go from your festive to your everyday wear, is I believe a really good deal. I forgot to tell you, this is from the brand Span and it is in the size medium and we got this from Myntra. The next kurti again is a beautiful kurti and one of my sister's favorites. It is this very nice royal blue straight kurti with golden trimmings and it has this nice golden print on it which makes it look very festive. Again, this is not embroidered, this is printed. It has a really nice detailing on the sleeves. It has this button detailing. You can scrunch up the sleeves or fold the sleeves however you like. The best thing about this kurti is the color. It is so vibrant and it would suit absolutely any skin tone. This is again from the brand Span. It is in the size medium. This was priced at 1399, but we got this on an offer price of 350 only. The next piece is my sister's absolute favorite from this entire haul. It is this very nice anarkali kurta, a full length maxi anarkali kurta with a really huge flare, and it has this self woven kind of golden work on it, bronzy golden work on it, and it is in a very nice soft cotton linen-y material, very lightweight, very breathable, beautiful. It has full length sleeves. This one is from the brand Indian Virasat. It is in the size small and the price of this was 2,999 and my sister got this for 1,799 only. The next kurti is one of my absolute favorites. It is this really nice white chikankari kurta. It's a straight chikankari kurta with chikankari work on the front as well as on the back. The back also has work, the front has work. It has 3/4 sleeves. This one we got from Janpat. The price of this was 1,500, but we had to bargain a lot because the guy who was selling this was not ready to let it go for 1,500. Because it is very see-through, we also had to get an inner. We got this inner which is pre-stitched and in a very nice thick ganji material, and this one was priced at 450 rupees. So both of these together costed us around 2000 rupees, and I think it's a great deal because this one is so nice. You can see how small it gets and how comfortable it is, and if accessorized properly, this could look very, very festive and very elegant. So this is one of my absolute favorites. The next kurta is actually for my mom. It is this again a very nice silk material, very nice lightweight silk material with this pink and green print all over it. It's really, really soft and light, and it also has chikankari work all over it. So the neck has a beautiful chikankari work on it, and the bottom border also has some work, and the back also has a really pretty chikankari design. We also got this from Janpath, from the same store that we got the chikankari white one. The guy quoted 2800 for this, but we bargained a lot and we got this for 1800 rupees, which I think is a really good deal for something like this, because if you were to buy this from a branded store, you would easily have to pay 3000 or upwards of that to get something like this, because this is of supreme quality. The next piece of clothing is actually a dupatta, which my sister got to wear with the white anarkali that I showed to you before. This is this dupatta, narrow stole kind of dupatta with gold work on it. It's a very nice vibrant color that would look really good with white or neutral tones, and this gold work goes with everything and looks very, very festive. This one is from the brand called MF and was priced at 1099, but my sister purchased it for 494 only. The next piece of clothing, or the next kurta, is again for my mom. It is this beautiful white or off-white straight kurta with accents of this blue or sea green and little hints of peach in it, and there is a golden print all over it. My mom does not like heavy fabrics, so we always look for very lightweight silk or very light cotton material for her. This is a very, very light silk material. This is from the brand Aurelia, and we got it from Myntra in the size M. The MRP of this was 1999 and we got this for 1200 only. The next piece of clothing is actually a kurta set for my mom. It is this beautiful green colored silk kurti. This is a very, very beautiful color, very lightweight, very simple. This was from the brand Indo Era in the size M. The color of this is so beautiful and so soothing. It looks festive. It has nothing. You can see it's very plain, but it looks very festive because of the color. And the pajama is this straight leg palazzo with gold and brown print on it. And the best part of this pajama is that it has got pockets. So nice. The dupatta is also of the same pattern. It has got tassels of the kurta material on both the edges. It has again this gold and brown print and stripes going all over it. The next piece of clothing is actually for me. It is this pure white anarkali kurti with this purple and pink trimming on the bottom. It is quite nicely flared and it has this pink trimming on the arms also. The front has this button kind of closure. I got this in the size extra small. The brand is Anaya. I got this from Myntra. The MRP of this was 830 rupees, but I got this for 500 rupees only. The next piece of clothing is again a dupatta. It is this pure white embroidered dupatta. The material is chiffon. It is very soft. It is full width and it could go very easily with anything that you are wearing. And the best part about this dupatta is its price. I got this from Flipkart. The brand is Manhunt Textiles. The The MRP of this was 549 rupees and I got this only for 350 rupees. And for the quality of this, the material, the all over embroidery, the work that it has got, 350 rupees is a really good bargain for this one. To go with the blue festive kurtis, my sister got this gold toned palazzo. This was from the brand Aurelia. It was priced at 599 rupees. Again, to go with the white anarkali that my sister bought, she bought two more dupattas. First one is this blue, magenta, red, very heavy dupatta. It is again of this narrow width, it is not full width. This is of a chiffon material. It's a very nice material and this looks very festive. We got this again from Janpat. The guy who was selling this quoted it for 1100, but we bargained as usual and got this for 550 rupees. The next dupatta is this classic red bandhni dupatta that goes so well with all white kurtis. This one is a must-have in a wardrobe of a girl. Imagine wearing this with a really nice white anarkali. This looks so festive, so nice. This one again we got from Janpat Market and we got this for only 300 rupees. The next piece of clothing is this dhoti pants. This is in a very nice rayon material. It is in an off-white color. This free size. This my sister got from Meesho and the price of this is only 384 rupees. For the kind of material that's in there, because there's a lot of material that has gone into making this, and the quality of this material, I think 384 is a really good bargain. Really nice. And the last piece on this haul is this top that my sister bought to go with the dhoti pants. This is this very beautiful peplum top in this very nice linen-y material. It has got this beautiful colorful blue, pink, green and yellow embroidery on the front, on the sleeves, a little bit on the bottom too. This paired with the dhoti pant looks really nice. It can work with your dhoti pants, with normal, I think, palazzo pants, with jeans, with leggings, with a lot of things. So this one is the last piece on the haul. This one again we got from Janpat and this was priced at 300 rupees only. So that was all for my festive haul. I hope you enjoyed it. We enjoyed shopping, we enjoyed trying out all these clothes, and me and my sister really enjoyed shooting this entire video. In case you liked any of these products, the links of all of these would be given in the description bar below. And in case you have any questions about the sizes or anything, you can DM me on my Instagram. And I hope you all have a great Diwali, have fun, be safe and enjoy the festivities with your family. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.